Hello everyone, this is the start of a new series where we will be learning Java. Now, this is the first episode of this series, so I hope you like it and I really hope you will learn a lot from this series. So, starting out, what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented language developed by Sun Microsystems and now owned by Oracle. It is known for its motto, "Write once and run anywhere," meaning that Java code can run on any device that has a Java Virtual Machine or JVM. To write and run Java programs, we need something called the Java Development Kit. The JDK includes everything we need to develop Java programs, like the compiler that turns our code into bytecode, and tools to run and debug our applications. The compiler is software that runs the code. Java is the language we write in, and the JDK is the toolbox that helps us write, compile, and run our Java code. Now, I will be starting from scratch, so I will be assuming that you are a complete beginner and want to learn Java. So, first of all, you will have to install two things. First of all, a code editor, and second, the JDK, obviously. Now, first we will move on to the code editor. So, the code editor that we will be using for this series is Visual Studio Code. It is the most commonly used code editor in the world. Go to Google and type Visual Studio Code. Now, what is a code editor? It is a software or application where you can write and debug, I mean, write and run your code. Now, in here, press download. The internet is linked. So now once you are here, just choose the button according to your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I will choose this. Now you can do two things. Either you can do this big button, or you can do user installer. The user installer will make things more easy for you. This button will make things more customizable for you. Okay, so you can do anything if you want. Now the second thing you want to download is JDK. Now as we have here, this is the URL https oracle.com/java/technology/java se minus download.html. So I will just copy it over here. Make sure it is not HTTP. Okay, HTTP is an insecure transfer protocol. H is the secure one. Now, once you are here, what you have to do is I have downloaded JDK 21, but 24 is actually better. So JDK 24, click here, and just according to your operating system again. If you have Linux, then here, Mac OS, then here, and Windows, then here. Now I'm on Windows, so another advice, I will not do any of these two. I will do x64 installer. I will not really, I can't explain why, but the installer just makes it easier for everyone. Okay, click this link, and this then you can see here .exe, that means executable file. So it will just run the installer, and then you just have to click next a couple of times, and it will be set up. Now run Visual Studio Code on your computer. Once you run Visual Studio Code, you will be here. What I want you to do is, first of all, the fifth button from the top, one, two, three, four, five, click here extensions. Now click, type here Java. Now what we are doing here, we are just going to download some extensions for running and debugging the code. Okay, so it's going to take a little bit time. The internet is a little slow. It is taking a lot of time. Let me do the better fix. No, no. Okay, so it is not really happening, but I will tell you. Okay, So what you have to do is you have to find an extension named Java, simply Java. Install that, then install the Java compiler by Red Hat, that, and then install a package named Run Java. Okay, these three things. Okay, now then after you have installed this, what I want you to do is go into the home here Explorer and press Control Shift C. Okay, now here write create Java project. Now press no build tool, set the directory and set the project name. Okay, so for me I have set the project name to Java tutorials. Now you will have a file structure like this. In the SRC, you can open this. You will find an example file. Delete that and create a new one. You can name it whatever you want, but I would suggest naming it episode 1 .java. Now, .java is obviously necessary because that is the extension of a file name is how the um, computer knows that it's the Java file. If I was to make like tutorial dot py, this would be Python. You can see snake logo. If I did JS, it is JavaScript. If I did R, it is R. If I did Rust, okay, Rust is not it. If I did Go, Swift, C, C++, and so on, so on. So now you don't have to write this. This is just a comment. That means it does not interfere with the program at all. So I'm just going to delete this. Now, for the first episode, we will be just printing a simple hello world to the terminal. So I will guide you step by step. I will make you understand everything later on. So first of all, click the three dots here. Press terminal, press new terminal. Okay. Now in here, press cdsrc. Okay. Now in here, do copy what I'm typing. Public class and then the name of your file. Mine is tutorial, so I will type public class tutorial. Then curly bracket, then public static void name, small bracket, then in capital S string, box bracket, arg, then curly bracket. Okay, just a second. Yeah, so this is what it will look like. If your file name is episode 1, for example, you will type EP1. Okay, for me it was tutorial, so tutorial. It has to be the public class name. It has to be the same as this file name. Now for the starting, we will print uh, some message to the terminal. Okay. So we will the print statement in every language. It is a different one. For example, in Python it is print like this. But in JavaScript it is a little more complicated. This is because Java is a verbose language. What that means is that you have to like in simple terms it was verbose language which means that in simple terms you have to write a lot of code to to achieve the same result as what Python can do in one line. Okay, so now that you might think that is bad that I have to write extra code, but it makes it harder to write bugs. It makes it harder to make mistakes. So that is the pros. Now system dot out dot print ln small bracket, then in the end put semicolon. In the semicolon. Okay, now let me explain this print statement. If you don't understand, that is okay. Let me just tell you. System. System just tells the compiler that whatever like this dot out dot print, whatever this is, it is related to the system. What is the system? It is the desktop, meaning the computer. Okay. So it is not related to anything else, it is related to computer. Out means output. Whatever I put in these curly brackets, it will output that to this terminal, okay? That is what printing is, right? Print means print, obviously. And finally, ln. ln means new line. Now what is new line? For example, when I press cd src, then it it did not print this line like here. No, it did what is known as a line break. It pressed like basically it just pressed like enter. Like you see that it shifted to the next line. That is called a line break. So ln means new line. Okay. So if I do print, that is also valid actually. So for now we will do print ln. Now let's print something. Here type double quotation mark. Whatever we want to print will be inside the quotation mark. And let's just do hello, comma, world. Okay. Now you have two ways to run this code. On the top right, there is this button. I don't know if you can see it, but once on clicking it, it does this. Now, if my recording software is a little bit off and you cannot see it, then here's how you do it. Click CDSRC. Obviously, I told you earlier. Do Java C and then the name of your file. So Java C tutorial.java. Okay, and then do Java without the C and just the tutorial, no extension. This will run it. Okay, so on every time you want to run it, you will do this Java C tutorial dot Java and then Java tutorial. Okay, now so this is I'm thinking about keeping the series short and simple. If you do have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section and I will obviously reply to them. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. I will be continuing the series obviously. Tomorrow I will upload episode 2 and so on. We will do continuously advanced topics in Java where in the end you will be able to do some pretty impressive stuff. For now, for today, we have just installed the IDE, installed JDK, and printed hello world. Before I end the video, you can also print anything else. You can print this, run this ASSHIO. Okay, you can print your name. For example, I will not display my name. Let's just do my YouTube name. Sundi Coder 2013. Now JavaC, like JavaC tutorial.java and oh what? CDSRC JavaC tutorial.java and then Java tutorial. This printed 2013. You can also do symbols. Okay, these things and this put this and this. One thing, okay, let me this. See, it printed that. But one thing you cannot do is backslash because in Java backslash is what is known as a let's say escape character. Okay, so backslash, let me just, I'll not make it too complicated. Backslash is like, there are a few special commands in while printing, like slash n, like slash s, slash percentage s, slash f, and whenever you want to do this, you have to put backslash. So when you put backslash and nothing after it, then the compiler is confused because you put the escape character backslash, but you didn't run any command. You didn't do backslash f or n. Okay, so one backslash is not allowed, two backslashes are allowed, three is not allowed, four is allowed. Okay, and so on. So that is it for today. I will be giving you homework every day. So for today, your homework is to um okay for your homework is in Java or no make a program to print the statement I am and then your name. What does it mean? You have to make a program that will print the statement I am and then your name. So if your name is Rakesh, you have to do I am Rakesh. If it is maybe Johnny, you have to do I am Johnny. Okay. So this is the homework. Please be sure to do the homework. This is not like I will let you go if you don't do the homework. Okay, I will come to your house and check your homework every day. Please make sure to do it because it will keep your mind sharp and it will keep the concept clear. It will let me understand if you really understood the whatever I covered today. So I'm going to end this episode now. If you had any doubts, you can ask in the comment section. Please like and subscribe the video, and I will meet you in the next video.